This screen acts as the central one for navigation to various dashboards available in this package. They are reporting dashboard, planning dashboard, prediction dashboard, simulation dashboard, and the final one is analytic application. If you click on the start button under the reporting, it will take us to the plant maintenance actual dashboard. In this dashboard, the KPIs were built based upon the current scenario of the maintenance plant. And here there are two filters available. One is plant and the other one is date filter. If you click on that plant filter, the list of plants available will be given over here. And if you want the values to be displayed for that particular plant, you can select that particular plant, and the KPIs gets filtered according to that plant. And the next one is date filter. If you click on that, the various dates available will be listed, and you can input that date values according to your needs, and the KPIs gets filtered according to the values you have given. And if you click on this home icon over here, it will take us to the home dashboard. The next one is planning. If you click on that start button under that planning, it will take us to the planning dashboard. This planning dashboard provides the details such as equipment unavailability as well as the equipment breakdown. And with these details, the user can plan for that maintenance of that particular equipment with these details. So if you click on that icon, it will take us to the planning input template. With that previous available details such as the equipment breakdown and the unavailability, the user can plan for the equipment breakdown under a particular month, and the data will get automatically published in the backend. For example, if you want that equipment lift to be maintained over that Jan 2021, you can click over here and you can plan it over here, and the data gets added to the backend as well. You can see that the planned data gets added to the database. And if you click on that home icon, it will take us to the home page. The next one is prediction. If you click on that start button under that prediction, it will take us to the prediction dashboard. This is the plant maintenance prediction dashboard. Here, with that actual values of the breakdown, the values will get forecasted for the future months and the years. Here you can see that the actual data for 2017 to 2021. With that data, the values gets predicted for the upcoming years 2021, quarter 3, quarter 4 as well as the 2022. If you click on that home icon, it will take us to the home page. The next one is simulation. If you click on the start button, it will take us to the simulation dashboard. In this plant maintenance simulation dashboard, if you want to produce a particular material and see how the downtime of that particular production equipment, you can see that you can see that through this simulation dashboard. For example, if you click on that FG material, you can see that the equipments available here are bottom loading skid. These are the equipments available over here, and if you want that particular material to be produced over 7 days or 5 days, you can choose over here. You can see that the total production is 1,34,400, and if you want that bottom loading skid equipment to be maintained for 14 days, and if you unselect that, you can see how that without that equipment the production gets affected. This is the actual production, and the simulated production is nil. This is how you can see how the particular equipment's downtime will affect the productivity of that particular material. If you click on this icon over here, it will take us to the home page, and the final one is analytic application. This is the analytic application, and if you click on that add tile, the various tiles available will be listed, and if you choose the particular KPIs you wanted and click on add, the tiles gets added. And if you want to view the detailed information of that particular KPI, you can click over here, show details, and the detailed information of that particular KPI will be populated over here. And you can also view the extended evaluation of that particular KPI. Then if you want that particular tile to be deleted in this view, you can click on this delete tile over here. If you click on that, the tiles will show the detail delete icon over here, and if you click on that delete tile, the tile gets deleted. And if you want to come back to the original screen, you can click again on the delete tile over the top, and this is it. That's all about the analytic application and the plant maintenance solution.